Build your personal brand as an entrepreneur. Welcome to the world of entrepreneurship, where innovation and self-expression reign supreme. As an entrepreneur, you are not just building a business, you are building a legacy. And at the heart of that legacy is your personal brand. Your personal brand is the unique combination of skills, experiences, values, and personality traits that set you apart from others. It's the way you present yourself to the world, and it's what will make your business stand out in a crowded market. Building your personal brand as an entrepreneur is essential to establishing credibility, trust, and recognition in your industry. It's what will attract customers, partners, and opportunities to your doorstep. In this journey, we'll explore the key elements of building a strong personal brand, from defining your values and vision to creating a consistent online presence and networking strategy. Get ready to showcase your unique strengths, values, and passions to the world, and watch your business thrive as a result. Building your personal brand as an entrepreneur requires a strategic approach. A strong personal brand helps you gain recognition and trust with your audience, making them more likely to believe in your products or services. In a crowded market, your personal brand sets you apart from competitors and makes your business more memorable. A well-established personal brand can attract investors, partners, customers, and media opportunities. A strong personal brand gives you a platform to share your ideas, values, and vision, increasing your influence in your industry. When you consistently show up as an expert in your field, people are more likely to trust your opinions and recommendations. Define your values and vision. Identify your core values, passions, and long-term vision. This will help you stay authentic and focused. Values are like: reflect on your beliefs. What matters most to you in life and business? Identify your core values: honesty, integrity, creativity, innovation, customer satisfaction, etc. Prioritize your values. Rank them in order of importance. Define each value. Write a brief statement explaining what each value means to you. And vision are like: imagine your future. Where do you see yourself and your business in 5 to 10 years? Define your purpose. Why do you do what you do? What impact do you want to make? Craft your vision statement. Write a concise statement that summarizes your purpose and future goals. For example, values, integrity. We operate with transparency and honesty in all our interactions. Innovation. We strive to stay ahead of the curve and embrace new ideas. Customer satisfaction. We prioritize our customers' needs and exceed their expectations. Vision. Empowering entrepreneurs to build successful businesses through innovative solutions and exceptional support while maintaining the highest ethical standards. Once you have defined your values and vision, you can use them as a guiding force for your business decisions, communicate them to your team, customers, and partners. Incorporate them into your branding and marketing efforts. Make decisions that align with your values and vision. Remember, your values and vision are the foundation of your brand identity. They will help you build a strong, authentic brand that resonates with your audience. Developing your unique value proposition, UVP. Developing your unique value proposition, UVP, is a crucial step in building a strong brand. Your UVP is the reason why customers choose you over others. Identify your target audience. Who are your ideal customers? Research their needs. What are their pain points, desires, and goals? Determine your unique benefits. What sets you apart from others? For example, for busy entrepreneurs, BrandX provides innovative marketing solutions that drive results, save time, and increase visibility, unlike traditional agencies that only offer generic services. Your UVP should be clear and concise, relevant to your target audience, unique and differentiated, consistent across all marketing channels. Your UVP will help you differentiate yourself from competitors, Attract and retain customers. Develop a strong brand message. Guide your marketing and sales efforts. Remember, your UVP is the heart of your brand's value proposition. It's what sets you apart and makes your brand unique. Attract opportunities to build a brand. Share your expertise through content, speaking engagements, and interviews. Attend industry events, conferences, and join relevant groups to connect with influencers and potential partners. Create a professional website, engage on social media, and maintain a consistent brand image. Develop a unique value proposition, UVP, that sets you apart from others. Participate in podcasts, webinars, and online communities to increase your visibility. Share your brand story, highlighting your mission, values, and achievements. Develop and share valuable resources such as ebooks, white papers, and case studies. Build relationships and deliver on your promises to attract new opportunities. Identify your brand's reason for being beyond just selling products or services. Build trust. Be true to your brand's values, mission, and vision. Be transparent. Share your story, processes, and decisions with your audience. Regularly produce high-quality content and maintain a consistent brand image. Offer assurances that your products or services will meet expectations. Building trust takes time and effort, but it's a crucial investment in building a strong brand that will last. Media coverage. Craft a compelling pitch that highlights your unique story, expertise, and value proposition. Identify media outlets, journalists, and influencers who cover your industry or niche. Connect with journalists, influencers, and media outlets on social media and engage with their content. Develop a press kit that includes your bio, headshots, and relevant media coverage. Follow up with media outlets and journalists to increase your chances of getting covered. Building a personal brand is a powerful way to establish yourself as a thought leader, increase your visibility and credibility, and open up new opportunities. By defining your values and vision, developing a unique value proposition, creating valuable content, building relationships, and showcasing your expertise, you can establish a strong personal brand that resonates with your audience. Remember, building a personal brand takes time and effort, but with a clear vision, consistent execution, and a commitment to providing value. Take the first step today and start building your personal brand. Invest in yourself, your skills, and your reputation. With dedication and hard work, you can build a personal brand that truly represents your unique value and inspires others to do the same.